Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Esther with Ester Buys Houses, just giving you a quick update. I am still in the market of buying more houses. Doesn't matter the condition of the house, whether you have equity, whether you bought it 2 years ago or a year ago. I am still looking to buy houses, whether they're pretty or they're ugly. It doesn't matter. I know in this difficult situations and these times with the COVID, a lot of people have lost a lot of their jobs, and they're trying to make ends meet. Maybe they've got two houses and they're paying two mortgages, and you just can't afford the other mortgage. So I'm here to help you out any way that I can. Maybe this is for you, but give me a call. Maybe we can work something out. It takes maybe 14 to 30 days to close on a property, because I do go through the title company and just depending on the title search and so forth. So as is, let me know what you have, what kind of situations you're finding yourself in. Maybe this extra cash will help you out. Maybe it's just the matter of fact that I can take over payments, take care of that mortgage payment that you've got, and that way you can continue going on in your life and being stress-free, because that it is very stressful, having two or three mortgages. So my number, I'm going to put it down below. If you want, go to my website, EsterBuysHouses.com. It's Esther without the H. It's Esther, Ester, BuysHouses.com. Looking forward to talking to you guys. You have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye now.